Meet XSPA Wallet, your digital assets protected by your passphrase only. Everything you own, right here. Total balance, live prices, all assets in one clean view. XSPA, Solana, and USDT, all ready to manage and transfer. Tap any coin to see more. Full balance, full history, at your fingertips. Want to send crypto? Paste the address, set the amount, and tap Confirm. Too many tokens? Go to Manage Assets, toggle off what you don't need. Done. The rest? Completely in your control. Multi-chain support out of the box. Solana, Ethereum, Polygon. Switch and update instantly. Always current. Always yours. Want to receive? Every asset has its own address, clearly organized by network. Copy any address with one tap. Share it anywhere. No typos, no mistakes. Copied. Simple, smooth, and secure. XSPA Wallet. Easy for everyone, powerful for anything.